Ever wonder how much you can fit in a 10 by 15 storage unit? All this stuff, plus a heck of a lot more. It's just a matter of packing your items right and using the proper packing supplies to do the job. Let's walk you through some handy pro tips to get the most out of your unit. Box up the idiot box. Afraid to move your HDTV? Our HDTV boxes are heavy-duty, double-walled, and can fit virtually any screen size. Big things come in small packages. Have small items that are heavier than they look? Our extra small box is built for small but hefty items and can hold up to 65 pounds. Even some extra small things need extra protection. With these tips, you can use storage in a way that's easy to manage, while enabling you to take full advantage of your storage space. Problem solved.